sub shop closes in 20 minutes, so we should probably get going.
Yeah, alright, we'll get there.
What are you doing?
What, you haven't heard?
Heard of what?
The Mr. Incredible Challenge.
The Mr. Incredible Challenge is the most revolutionary, spine-tingling, incredible challenge to have ever existed. People all around the world are getting in on the action and doing the challenge that is bigger than Mr. Incredible himself. Here's what some of the satisfied participants had to say about it.
After trying the Mr. Incredible Challenge, I saw results in just 5 days. Hey, go long!
For the Mr. Incredible Challenge, I was angry, depressed, and addicted to heroin. Now I'm just depressed.
The Mr. Incredible Challenge is incredibly easy to do. Just get in your car, put that seat up till you can barely move, and drive. It's fun, cool, definitely not safe, and most importantly, incredible!
So what are you waiting for?
I don't know, something amazing.
Hop into your car and take on the Mr. Incredible Challenge today.
When are we gonna get there?
We'll get there when we get there!
Okay.